Hey, Santa's not going to hear that, is he, boys and girls? Who did you come to see today?
Oh, look at
I'll tell you what, you're going to have to make a lot more noise than that, boys and girls. He's not going to hear you. Yes, we know you want to see Oliver Cromwell. But Santa's coming soon. And I think Santa's above us. He's tweeted me recently. So, boys and girls, who do you want to see today? You know what? He's still... Oh! Santa Claus! Merry Christmas, Santa! Boys and girls, Santa's come to see you. Merry Christmas, Santa! Merry Christmas, Santa! Lovely for you to make a special journey.
She got scared. Lacey? Lacey? Come on, mate. Lacey? Yeah, please. Do you want me to come up with you? Yeah?